Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Ilya Syami binti Muhammad Aziz and I will explain about chapter 2, which is biodegradable and sustainable fibers. This topic is related to chapter 2 in the subject textile 269, which are focused on different types of fibers used in the textile industry. In this chapter, we learn about the characteristic, advantage and environment impact of various fiber. One of the important topics is biodegradable and sustainable fibers, which play a big role in creating a greener and more responsible textile industry. The textile industry is one of the biggest and most important industry in the world, but it also causes a lot of environmental pollution as people become more aware of climate change and waste problem. There is a strong effort to use materials that are more eco-friendly. Biodegradable and sustainable fibers have become an important innovation in this effort. Biodegradable fibers are materials that can naturally break down by microorganisms like bacteria and fungi, leaving little impact on the environment. Meanwhile, sustainable fibers are made using eco-friendly methods, renewable resources, and responsible production practice. These fibers help reduce pollution and waste while supporting a more ethical and sustainable future for the textile industry.
Hi everyone, my name is Nur Ainajwa binti Adnan. Okay, today I'm going to answer this question. Are synthetic fibers biodegradable and are they sustainable? Okay, let me explain. For synthetic fibers such as polyester, nylon, and acrylic are man-made fibers produced through chemical processes using petroleum. Because they come from non-natural sources, these fibers are not biodegradable, meaning they do not easily break down in the environment. In fact, they can remain in landfills and oceans for many years, causing pollution and harm to ecosystem. Besides that, the production of synthetic fibers require a lot of energy, water, and chemical, which make them less sustainable compared to natural fibers. However, there is a positive side. We now have recycled polyester or rPET, which is made from used plastic bottle. This helps to reduce plastic waste and save energy compared to producing new polyester. In conclusion, synthetic fibers are not biodegradable, but they can be made more sustainable through recycling and eco-friendly production method. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today, I will explain to you why cat fur cannot be used as textile fiber. Okay. Even though cat fur looks soft and fluffy, it is actually not acceptable to be made into yarn or fabric. The main reason is that cat fur fiber are too short and big, so they break easily during the spinning process. This makes it impossible to produce strong and durable textile. Next, the collection process is not practical. Cats only shed small amount of fur naturally, so gathering enough fur for textile production will have be very difficult and time consuming. It also raises ethical concern as cats are pets, not animals. Farm for fiber. Lastly, there are hygiene and allergy issue. Many people are allergic to cat fur and using it in clothing could cause discomfort or health problem. It may also carry dirt or bacteria, making it unhygienic. In conclusion, cat fur is not practical, safe, or ethical to be used as textile fiber. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Putri Shaza Farzana. Have you ever heard the term carbon footprint and wonder what it actually means? Let me explain. Well, it's basically the amount of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases we release into the air through our everyday activities like driving, charging our phone, using electricity, or even eating certain foods. Everything we do leaves a little carbon mark on the planet. The more energy we use, the bigger our footprint gets. And that's not good for the earth because it leads to global warming. But here, the good news, we can shrink our footprint. Simple things like switching out of light, walking or cycling, and recycling can really make a difference. So let's all do our part to keep our planet cool and healthy. Thanks for listening.